So I've been doing a little work to the 98 Eclipse Spyder. Engine still filthy. I was driving it around and realized the brakes were bad, like they were seized. Like as soon as I pushed them down, I couldn't move the car, like push it in neutral. So I went ahead and ordered new brake calipers. I got the whole assembly. And I also got new brake pads. What else have I done to this? I put a radio in there. It's an old radio, but it works. I also changed part of the brake line right here. It was rusted out. It's not the best job, but it works. Well, it worked because the rear brakes are removed too. I was going to change the front rotors, and I thought these would work, those power slots, but those are for a GSX. On a GSX, the rotor is a little bigger. So, I don't know. I'll probably just reuse these. I got both brake calipers installed. Just the fronts though, because the rear still need rebuilt. See the new brake pad. These are just a single piston. Not like the all-wheel drive ones, I have a dual. And then next on my to-do list is getting rid of these taillights. I don't really like those. And luckily, the car came with original taillights in the trunk, that is. Turn this changer. I'm not really sure why they cut this off when this whole panel comes out. All it is clips. These here, these two, those two, and the ones up top. Now it's got a big hole. And that's what it looks like with the OEM factory taillights back on. I'm sure a lot of people have seen these on the street. Looks a lot better, in my opinion. I also rebuilt the rear brakes. Now I'm gonna put the wheels back on, lowered it, and test drive it. Alright, so the car is down on the ground and out of my garage. This is what it looks like on the outside. The tail lights. I'm sure everybody's seen these. Brakes. So I brought the car back in the garage and I decided to drop the transmission. Sitting right there. So I pulled out the flywheel to clean it up a bit and noticed that this didn't have any bolts. It's just hanging there, but I gotta address that so you can see the turbo a little better. I'm not even sure what it is. Anyways, the clutch disc is an XCD, but I ordered an ACT. There's some life left to it, but I'm just throwing in a new clutch disc. Here's the transmission. I actually got another one thanks to a friend. Friend Nick gave me one to throw on this since he wasn't going to be using it. And in this bag is the flywheel and pressure plate. This car actually came with a ACT flywheel right there. Oh shit. And the pressure plate is a center force. Took it to work to clean it up a bit. And I'll be running an ACT street clutch disc for this setup. It's not like it's making crazy horsepower. As of now, I'm still waiting on parts. I'm waiting on the clutch disc to get here, throwout bearing, and some other things, a motor mount. I forgot what else I ordered. The clutch for the Spyder arrived. It's an ACT street disc. So it looks like packaged. Oops, nothing. So I guess I'll put this in the pressure plate and in the transmission. There's the ACT disc in place with the ACT flywheel. I'm going to be using this center force, reuse the center force pressure plate. So I went ahead and installed the transmission. This is the one my friend Nick gave me, so I'm just hoping all the synchronizers are good. He thinks they're good. It's been sitting for a while too. As you can see, there's a new axle seal. I actually changed both of them. And I'll keep pushing forward. So the car is now out of the garage. No more grinds in the transmission. It's the one that came out of it. I think she's ready to hit the road soon here. Maybe tomorrow I'll get some plates and insurance. Some little things to put back together. Not much to do. Just happy it's all finished up.